Coming back from COVID, cleaning and disinfecting your work facility according to the CDC. During this unprecedented time of quarantine, people are more than ready to return to their familiar office settings and begin interacting with coworkers once again. In anticipation of shelter-in-place orders lifting, plans to slowly reopen businesses are underway. However, it is very important that these plans contain detailed protocol for disinfecting the workspace in light of the yet existent pandemic. In addition to using the current protocols such as washing your hands for 20 seconds, covering your coughs, and practicing social distancing, here are a few checklist items recommended by the CDC to keep in mind in the office. Clean. Clean all frequently touched surfaces on a routine basis using soap and warm water. Targeted surfaces including tables, doorknobs, light switches, break room countertops, handles, desks, phones, keyboards, mice, monitors, faucets, sinks, toilets, etc. Disinfect. After cleaning surfaces with soap and water, use disinfectant. The following disinfectants meet CDC approval. EPA-registered household disinfectant. Remember to wear gloves if recommended on product label. Visit the CDC website for a list. Diluted household bleach solutions. Follow manufacturer's instructions and leave solution on surface for at least 1 minute. Alcohol solutions. These solutions must be at least 70% alcohol to effectively disinfect. Don't forget to clean soft surfaces such as carpeted floors, rugs, and drapes. Use soap and water or appropriate cleaners for these surfaces. If possible, launder these items according to manufacturer's instructions. Disinfect these items with an EPA-registered household disinfectant. Disinfect electronics such as cell phones, tablets, keyboards, mice, monitors, remote controls, etc. Follow manufacturer's instructions for cleaning and disinfecting. For items without instructions, use alcohol-based wipes or sprays containing at least 70% alcohol, and remember to dry the surface thoroughly. Finally, keep clothing, towels, and other items clean. Follow manufacturer's instructions for all laundry items. Use the warmest appropriate water setting and dry items completely. If items have been exposed to sick individuals, use disposable gloves and wash hands immediately after touching any laundry. Follow these steps to prepare for safe re-entry to the office setting. We hope this quick course will assist you in disinfecting your work facility before re-entry. Explore our website for additional quick courses you may find helpful.